A rather good explanation of the adverb, rather. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to tackle an interesting topic in our Grammar Fundamentals course, the adverb of degree, rather. This little word can be tricky, but it's extremely useful when you want to describe things with more nuance. So, let's get started. Rather is an adverb of degree. It's used to modify adjectives, other adverbs, or verbs. When you use rather, you're expressing a mild form of preference. Or you might be saying that something is somewhat or to a certain extent true. Here's a quick example. It's rather cold today. Here, rather is modifying the adjective cold, suggesting it's somewhat, but not extremely, cold. Rather is also used to show comparison and preference. When used in this context, rather means that you would prefer one thing over another. For instance, in the sentence, I would rather read than watch TV, rather shows that you prefer reading over watching TV. Sometimes, rather can express a feeling of surprise or contrast. When we find something different or surprising compared to what we expected, we can use rather to express this. For instance, she's rather quiet today, isn't she? Here, we might be surprised because she's usually more talkative. It's important to avoid common mistakes with rather. Don't use rather with comparative adjectives. For example, you wouldn't say, it's rather more expensive. Instead, you might say, it's a bit more expensive. Well, there you have it, the different uses of the adverb, rather. It's a versatile and handy word that can add a lot of depth to your descriptions and observations. Remember, it's all about practice. Keep trying to use rather in your sentences, and you'll soon get the hang of it. We hope this lesson has been rather helpful to you. Happy learning!